Hi, friends. I'm just going to share some little tools that I have learned, little skills I've gained over the past few months since COVID. We all had to learn so many things so quickly. I got super overwhelmed. So I just decided I could learn one new skill a week to help with my teaching practice and to help my students. And that's what I did. What I've noticed, I have two kids who are in two different schools in one school district, and then I have two bonus kids who are here on occasion who are in two different schools in another district. And so, between my Google classes and my friends' Google classrooms and my kids and bonus kids' classrooms, I'm seeing some patterns of things that we all need support in. And one of the things that I set out to learn right away, and I'm going to share today really fast, is how to make a copy of an assignment for each student. I've noticed that a lot of us put the instructions right in our classroom or right in our assignment, and then we expect the kids to copy and paste those instructions or writing prompts or whatever it is into a new document that they create. But what we really want to do is we want to remove barriers for our kids, so that they just have access to the content and to do the work without having to navigate all kinds of other things. Because for parents and kids right now, this is all challenging as it is for us. So I'm going to share my screen and show you quickly two ways to make an assignment where the student does not have to copy and paste anything. So the first thing I do is I go to classwork, I create assignment, and next I'm just going to title mine my self-assessment, because my students do this every week, and so this is something that they're doing right now. So there are two ways you can do it. The way I like to do it is to create the slide deck or the document, whatever it is, ahead of time and have it in my drive. So that's the one, and then all I have to do is add it. So I'm going to show you that way first. So you go to your Google Drive, and I'm going to find my recent, because I just put this up today. There it is, week 3 self-directed learning guide. So I have my students do this, and then I let them make it pretty. So what I had already done, I'm going to go back to it really quickly. What I had already done is created it, and then I changed my settings. If you go to share, you can change your settings. You need to click on who can view the link. And this is what will give the students access for you to make a copy. So anyone with the internet can get the link right now. So I click there and I click on editor. Done. Okay, so now that is a shareable document. Next, I've added in, and then you go over here to where it says students can view file, and you actually put it down here to make a copy for each student. Then you can assign your class, do all the things over here, which will be another tutorial for another week. And that is one easy peasy way to make a copy for each student, so that they're not having to copy instructions, make a new document, and then paste it. All they'll have to do is click on it in their assignment. The other way that you can do it is to hit create, go to docs, and that same thing, students make a copy for each student. Now you will need to go into the document then and put your instructions or your writing prompt, your bell ringer, whatever it is, and then that will make a copy and automatically save and make a copy for each student. So then you assign and you're good to go. So that's a quick way to make our materials more easily accessible for our students. I hope that helped, and I hope you have a really great day. Thank you.